All right, so you're standing there staring at the dazzling wall of air fryers or maybe flipping through endless reviews online, and you keep seeing two names, Cosori and Instant Pot. They'd both get heaps of praise, but which should you pick? Let's break it down human to human and see what actually matters when you pit these two kitchen giants against each other. Primary strengths. Let's set the stage. Cosori is a specialist. Its focus is squarely on air frying, from compact single-drawer models to family-sized machines ready to feed a crowd. If you want something that nails crispiness and makes air frying the main event, Cosori delivers. The controls don't get in your way, it preheats fast, and the results? You can taste them. Crispy fries, evenly cooked chicken, veggies that aren't just limp afterthoughts. Instant Pot, on the other hand, is the multitasker in the family. You know that friend who can bake, sew, and play guitar? That's Instant Pot, except its guitar is also a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and, most relevant for us, an air fryer. Certain models like the Duo Crisp let you swap tops and switch between pressure cooking and air frying. It's not just about crisping, it's about flexibility. Versatility. Here's what's going on. Cosori keeps it simple. You do air frying, maybe some toasting, baking, roasting, but that's pretty much it. No pressure cooking here, no yogurt button lurking at the back. But honestly, simplicity can be a blessing. There's no fussing over modes you never use, and it just works. Now, if your kitchen counter space is tight, or you really, and I mean really don't want another appliance, the Instant Pot starts to make sense. Think pressure-cooked pulled pork one night, then crispy wings the next, all with just a change of the lid. It's like your kitchen becomes one of those Swiss Army knives, everything snapping into place as needed. Of course, if you just want an air fryer and you rarely pressure cook, you might never use half the features Instant Pot offers. But hey, the option is there.
Cooking performance. Let's talk food. Cosori's built a bit of a reputation for predictable, quality results. The heating's even, it's fast, and there's this handy shake reminder mid-cycle that actually helps prevent soggy fries or burned bits. Some newer Cosori models even have dual heating, so you get golden brown on every side. You're not babysitting your meal every 10 minutes. Well, the Instant Pot doesn't slouch in the kitchen either. Its air frying lid that clicks onto certain models gives you the same kind of air circulation you'd expect, and you get a solid, non-stick basket that cleans up easily. It'll beep or chime when you need to interact, and those reminders to flip or shake your food actually save you from a lot of kitchen misadventures. The results are very similar, though if you line up meals side by side, Cosori can edge out Instant Pot on pure crispiness now and then. Ease of use and features. This bit's personal, honestly. With Cosori, you get this crisp digital screen, no real learning curve, no weird button combo to remember. You want fries? Press the fries button. Most parts can be tossed in the dishwasher, and the big, wide, square basket just makes sense when you're lining up a lot of nuggets. Shake reminders pop up, and because the basket is wide, not tall and deep, everything gets hit by the hot air. Instant Pot, I'll admit, has more going on. You've got a clear panel, well-marked buttons, and it beeps enough to keep you honest. But one tiny but when you want to go from pressure cooking to air frying, you have to swap the lids. No, it's not rocket science, but it is one extra step. If a gadget in your kitchen is going to be a daily driver, these little frictions add up. On the plus side, that air fryer basket with slippery nonstick, it wipes clean, so it's not all bad.
Build quality and design. Honestly, these things are heavy. Cosori leans towards sleek and compact, especially in its base models. You get a finish that looks good on the countertop until, well, oil splatters a few times. It's not immune. If you go for lower-priced versions, expect the odd scuff if you're rough with the trays, but generally it's solid. Instant Pot is bulkier, and with some models, especially the big multi-cookers, it can really eat up counter space. But some people love the weighty stainless steel vibe, and it does feel like something you'd pass on to your kids if you're the type to do that with kitchen gadgets. You know, here's grandma's pressure cooker, but also it's an air fryer. Capacity. This is more practical than it sounds.
Cosori's classic basket design just works if you're cooking for a small group or a family. You get a lot of surface area, which means you can lay things flat, get them crispy, and not stack your wings 10 deep. That's a big deal when it comes to getting an easy cook. Instant Pot capacities vary, especially since it's not dedicated to air frying alone. Yes, you can air fry a chicken in one, but if you're using the basket that comes with some multi-cooker models, the space can end up a little cramped. Still, if you're set on multifunction and maybe your main crowd is just you or you plus one, this won't matter as much.
Value for money. Let me explain. Both brands know the value hunters are out there. Cosori air fryers are a heck of a deal if you want focused air frying power without getting into the weeds of other functions. You're paying for an air fryer. Full stop. Instant Pot is usually pricier up front, but it's selling you this dream. All in one. Pressure cook beans, make oatmeal, then pop the lid on for roast potatoes. For someone who swaps out multiple appliances, that value is real. If you'll use all those extra modes, it pays off. If you're just going to air fry, Cosori's price tag looks better. Limitations. There are no perfect gadgets, so here's the truth. Cosori will never pressure cook your brisket. It does one thing, a few side gig features, and does it really well. If you want more, you're out of luck. With Instant Pot, be real with yourself about the lids. Swapping can get old if you bounce between cooking styles a lot. And if your main goal is simple, easy, quick air-fried snacks, the extra bulk and steps might not feel worth it. Which should you buy? Here's my take, friend to friend. If air frying is your jam, if you want crispy stuff, easy cleanup, big batches, and no fiddling around, Cosori is your box. It just does the job again and again with rarely a complaint. But if you see yourself slow cooking stew one day, pressure cooking lentils the next, and crisping up leftovers at midnight all with one machine, Instant Pot starts looking like a steal. You're paying for flexibility, not just for fries. There you have it. Not just a this versus that, but everything you need to know to actually feel good about your decision. You can't go wrong either way, but picking the one that fits your habits will make your kitchen a much happier place.